Hello, I like to make today apple tea cake. It's very simple and easy cake to make, but it's has very lovely moist and perfect cake for tea. So what we have is, first of all, we have to preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, and grease and align with non-stick baking paper round cake tin. I use just a normal sandwich tin. I think it should be will do, and I just line it with non-stick baking paper. You can also use a 20 centimeter, which is 8-inch spring baking pan as well. So once we're done that, we place in a bowl 80 grams of butter, which is softened, and half a cup of caster sugar. So we beat it all together with electric mixer until it's light and creamy. Once mixture become lighter and creamy, what we do is we add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So we beat it all together until it's combined, and then we sift self-raising flour on top of our butter mixture. Once you combine vanilla essence and the egg, we sift 1 cup of self-raising flour combined with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and we sift on top of our butter mixture, and we mix it all together with a spatula. Also, what we do is we add half a cup of milk and we mix it all together. So once it's all combined, it needs to be just combined, no need to beat or mix vigorously, just to combine. What we do is we pour our cake batter into a basically prepared tin. Then what we do is we smooth the top and arrange apples, which is we need 2 small apples. I use red skin apples, and they need to be cut and thinly sliced, basically just slices like that. So we arrange them in a beautiful manner around our cake batter. Once you place your cake batter into prepared round tin, what you do is smooth top and place all as many apple slices as you want in a beautiful manner. So what we do is we can bake for about 35 to 40 minutes until it's golden brown and it's firm to touch. Once it's baked, take out and we can brush with the melted butter and sprinkle some of caster sugar or cinnamon sugar. It's from your choice. So we bake now for about 40 minutes. Once our apple tea cake is baked, what you do is take out from oven, let slightly cool, and brush cake with 1 tablespoon of melted butter and sprinkle with about 1 tablespoon of caster sugar. And as you can see, you have this beautiful, easy and very fast recipe for your afternoon tea. Thank you very much for your time with me today. Everything will be in the description box. I hope you do try this sort of simple recipe of apple tea cake. Thank you very much for your time. Until next time, goodbye.